You learn something about yourself in the theater.
I consider it to be a part of who I am.
It's made me just generally a better person, a happier person.
Is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
When I first got here my freshman year, I didn't know a soul. And as soon as I started doing theater, everyone just picked me up and just brought me right along for the ride.
I learn from them just as much as they learn from us. And their skills and their interests and their artistry adds to the greater whole.
To help make such an amazing production come to life is what gives me the feeling of not only accomplishment, but also belonging.
It allowed me to be involved in pretty much everything the theater program has to offer while still majoring in mechanical engineering.
The creative thinking that we encourage, the collaborative nature of our work works for a lot of other disciplines as well. Not being afraid to get up in front of a board meeting because you've gotten up in front of our stage.
That's always the person that I've wanted to be, so I think getting the chance to build those skills through theater and through something that I love doing, I think is really, really great.
We want students to feel part of something greater, and we know that we can make something greater because they are a part of it.
It's something that I love. I get to do it with people that I love, and at the end of the day, that's what life's all about, I think.